Good morning, everybody. My name is Shay. I am a full-time reseller and it is Monday morning, and you know that means we are going to be pulling our weekend shipping. Sales have been amazing. I am so excited, and I got my hair done yesterday, so feeling extra fine. It's funny that when you get your hair done, you feel like you want to do more things, like you just feel better. Take care of yourselves, people. And I'm telling myself that as well because I don't take care of myself very well. But anyway, let's get started. Let's pull our shipping. The first thing to sell were these driftwood jeans. Now, driftwood has a lot of like embroidered jeans. These ones weren't embroidered, but they still sold for great money. So these sold for $57 plus shipping. Always a good sale when it's over $50, and happy to ship these out. I sold this Lululemon gray Swiftly tank top in a size 10 for $20 plus shipping. So the buyer is like $25 or $6 all in. I believe this was mine, and I did pay like $18 to $20 for it. So just making my money back, but I'm really trying to weed down my closet into stuff that I really love to wear and that fits me well. So this was a little bit small, so I decided to declutter it. The next thing to sell was this men's size medium North Face vest, and it sold for $12 plus shipping. I only paid $1 for it. It does have a lot of flaws, so that is why I just listed it for $12. And no, I listed it for $15 and I took a $12 offer like the first day it was listed. That is fine. I'm gonna get these bulky stuff out that is really not worth that much money. A really great sale was this Diane von Furstenberg dress. It's in a size 14. It sold for $115 plus shipping, and I think I paid around $20 for this at a consignment store. So great, beautiful sale. Love it. The next thing to sell was this vintage Dallas hot leathers fringy jacket and chaps set. Now, I did take an offer on this because it does have some flaws, and the chaps do need a zipper replaced, and I did not realize that when I bought it. So I paid $20 for the set, and it sold for $60 plus shipping on eBay. The next thing to sell was this Free People beach dress that I just recently hauled from Style Encore. I think I paid $11 for this, and it sold for $32 plus shipping, so the buyer is around $40 all in. I did receive this dress for free. The brand is Escape, and it was new with tags. The tag had like an insane price on it. So I just listed it for $65. It is like a ombre blue dress with the cold shoulder. It sold for full price at $65 plus shipping, so all profit. I did receive this for free. It is an Under Armour red, white, and blue sweatshirt. I think it's like a Storm one. It is a men's large. It sold for $17 plus shipping, and I did receive this for free. My craft jewelry lot from the storage unit purchase that just went up last week. So if you haven't watched it, go watch it. It is a ride. But this sold for $15 plus shipping. So the buyer's like, I don't know, $22, $23 all in. It is all profit. I took an offer on this Talbot's wool jacket. It was in a size 10 petite. This has been sitting forever. Someone offered me $15 and I took it so fast. Happy to get this out. I only paid like $2 for this at the Style Encore 90% off sale, but we all know that stuff does not sell. I went ahead and took a $17 offer on this plaid cold water creek top in a size 2X. Probably could have held out for more, but I am fine with that. I only paid $3. I sold this neutral colored Patagonia Cinchilla little pullover. I paid $60 for this, and sometimes when you pay up, it does not pay off. I sold this for $100 plus shipping to someone internationally, so it's basically a final sale item because eBay does let you keep the money if they have any issues with an international sale. But anyway, you win some, you lose some. Sometimes I spend $60 and I get to sell it for $250. Sometimes it only sells for $100. So I filmed a video hauling all of this hunting gear, and it ended up being like super redundant, and I was just showing the same things over and over again. So it ended up being super boring. I deleted it. I'm not going to post it, but I ended up getting a bunch of hunting gear at a local auction. So this is one of the first items to sell. This is a Cabela size 2XL hunting coat. It sold for $68 plus shipping. This vintage Walls size 2XL reversible hunting vest in a size 2XL. This is vintage, made in the USA. It sold for $58 plus shipping, and very happy. I sold this pair of Remington hunting bibs for $14 because they are really extremely damaged on the front. They've been patched a million times, but somebody still sent me an offer of $14. I didn't want to not list them. I knew I could get something out of them, so happy I sold those. I sold this North Face. I think this is the Denali jacket. It is in horrible shape. I sold it for $10 on Poshmark. Happy that I have a nice, easy shipping platform to ship this out on. I remember when these used to be like the jacket in high school, in middle school and high school. I'm pretty sure I had one, but they were like $160 something. I cannot believe it. I will not be doing this with my children. It's funny how trends come and go, and how something that I spent a ton of money on, or my mom and dad spent a ton of money on, sells for $10 10 years later. Very random Poshmark sale here, but I got this out of a free pile at a garage sale, and it sold for $15 on Poshmark. I sold these Sea Kai Run little toddler snow boots on Poshmark for $30, and I think I paid $6.50 at the Once Upon a Child. I don't really think they recognized these, which is funny because they normally price Sea Kai Run up, but it must have been a new employee or something, but they were not priced up. Happy to pick them up for that and sell them for $30. These BKE Stella mid-rise bootcut jeans took over a year to sell. They took forever. BKE jeans in women's just don't move fast at all unless they're in like a really nice size. Some of the bigger sizes probably will sell faster than some of the, you know, run-of-the-mill. I think these are a size 28 or 29. But they sold on Poshmark for $17 finally, and they're in beautiful shape. Someone's gonna get a great deal on these jeans. This really cute J. Crew dress sold for $44 on Poshmark. I was very happy with that full price sale. I had just price dropped, so happy to see some of these older items moving. It's been listed for around 8 months, so I was expecting it to sell in the fall, and it did. This is one of the last American Girl little accessories that I have listed. I've listed these for over a year. All the other American Girl stuff that I listed at this time is sold, but these are the stragglers. It's like a little purse and a little sandwich. It sold for $13 on Poshmark. This Warner's black t-shirt bra, just a run-of-the-mill bra, sold for $7 on Poshmark. It's probably in my death pile. I need to get that stuff listed. This is a very interesting piece that I got in a ThredUp 200-pound box. You are sure to find some interesting pieces in those boxes if you order them. But this is Jennifer Sawicki, and it is like an art person that like made clothes. I don't know how much this would have retailed for, but it's very interesting, so I did list it. And it sold for $25 on Poshmark. I only paid probably less than $1 for it. This really cute eyelet top by Ula Popkin. It could be a button-up shirt. It could be like an overpiece. It didn't have a size tag. I guessed it was a 3X/4X based on measurements, and it sold on Poshmark for $22. I got it at the bins. I did make some bundle sales after I sent 30% off offers to all bundles. I'm starting to do that once a month now instead of once a week, just because I'm giving everybody a chance to pay a little bit more before I send out that bottom price offer. But anyway, this is one of the items. This is a Lucky Brand like mohair cardigan. I did get this for free. The next item in this bundle was a pair of H&M pull-on pants with the stripe. I got these from a 200-pound ThredUp bulk box. This Article of Society denim jacket that I also got from a ThredUp bulk box. So the cost of goods on this bundle has been amazing. Great profits over here, and we have one more item left. After an extensive search of my plush bin, finally found the last item in this bundle, which is this TY Sloth. It's a very interesting random bundle, but that's fine. I'm going to be working on getting rid of most of my plush. I'm like over digging through the bin. I'm over plush. Unless it's an amazing like item that's going to sell for $100, I'm not picking it up. But anyway, this little sparkly eye sloth sold. These Birkenstocks that I got at a church garage sale, yes, people buy them like this. It grosses me out, but people buy them like this. I do not clean most shoes, but they sold for $28 on Poshmark. These BKE Seth jeans in a size 44 sold for $25 on Poshmark, so I make $20 and I paid $5. These vintage Lee jeans, which I don't normally pick up anymore, but I think they sold for $11 on Poshmark. Happy to see them go. Pretty sure I probably only paid $1 for them, but some vintage is really good. I don't have very much luck with Lee brand items. This Maiden Form full coverage strapless bra that I got in a 200-pound ThredUp box sold for $8 on Poshmark. Again, I'm in less than $1. Sales are picking up, you guys. Shipping on Mondays never used to be, well, I kind of made it the norm that it wasn't really that big of a deal. And now that sales have come back up, for me at least, I am happy and thankful to be shipping this many items out.